guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is our second video. I'm so glad we're getting a comeback. So today we're going to be doing how to make Jello. And make sure to subscribe, comment down below, press our notifications, and make sure to touch that gray bell. And as you see, we just woke up, so we're in our pajamas. And so, we have our Jello pack. So, let's get it. You want to tell what your flavor is? Oh yeah. Mine is melon fashion. It's like melon. On it says watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew. Mine is lemon, and as you can see, let me see. This is like, they say it tastes like mini lemon cream pies. That may be good for the grown-ups because it may taste like key lime pie. And this is juicy fruit Jello. That's for the kids. Starting right now. And so, as you see, we have our Jello pack. My mom's boiling the water and also filming. Good job, Electric Mom. Okay. Say hi to the video.
Hi everyone.
And so, as you see, we have our full pack. Oh, this is like, Liv, do not open it on top. It's not like a bag. As you see, she is 1 minute older than me. She likes to tell me that she likes to let boss me around. And also, guys, if you see anyone else with us in Electric Twins, that's probably like our cousins or best friends. Because they want to do like, now that we're YouTubers, they like to do stuff with us. And as you see, we put our whole thing. Because we are making the whole thing. So next step is we have to put the boiling water. We have a boiling water, so if you can't see, it's right here. It's boiling hot. Did you just hear that? So make sure to hold on this thing. Because you don't want to, you have to hold on to this one. You don't want to get burnt. Now fool it. Yikes. Just pour it right now. I'm spilling. Well, good job. My food smells good. It smells like bubble gum. Like, oh, when I smell it too close. Okay. Yeah, mine smells like lemon. Now, let's see what we have next. We have put our boiling water in. Now we have to stir. You don't have to put your boiling water. We put our spin. Yeah, we already put our boiling water in. Hey Liv, do you remember that video I showed you about that giant gummy bear? It was like Jello? No. Oh yeah. I wonder how fast it's done. Now we have our cold water in. Yep. And we make sure to only put 1 cup of cold water in your measuring cup. Because otherwise it's boiling water. Yeah. And so now we'll take it and pour it all the way in. And as you can see, we can just stir this. You have to stir for 2 minutes. Last time I spilled our cold water, it wasn't good. And so, if you have any allergies to like eggs, eggs. There's no eggs in here. If you watch this whole video through, you can get the box at Publix, and then, or Target, Super Target. And then look at the ingredients on the back, and then you'll see the ingredients right here. And as you can see, if you have an allergy, if you have any other kids, they can have it. So let's get started for about 2 more minutes. Maybe. Now, as you can see, we have our box, And we have pour all 4 of them. And so now we'll put them in the fridge for 4 hours. So let's go on. Hey guys, and we are back after 4 hours. And as you can see, our Jello is still in the fridge. And if we look a little different because we woke up, you know, we got dressed. Yeah. So let's see if it's ready. Alright, so this is our fridge. Of course, I don't have a fridge. Alright, as you can see, we're drying. Alright, next one. So this is how you're gonna check. You're gonna take your spoon, if it just came from washing, it's okay. Put it in, and if you can see, if it made this mark, like if it's like squishy or jello-y. But if it's still liquidy, that means it still has to do it. You could do it for 4 hours, something over 4 hours or over. Now let's get to it and start eating. Oh, yum yum. Do you know that juicy fruit bubblegum at the stores? Oh yeah. This is my kind of flavor. Mine's lemon. Mine like, can you try it? You need to get yours. Oh. Yeah, that's lemony. Yeah. So, bye! Remember to subscribe, comment down below, press your notification. Make sure to comment down below, press our notifications, and press our gray bell. And don't forget, if we get 1,000 likes, we're gonna do even more and more and more and crazy videos.